Greetings. Today we're gonna talk about EcoPlus. Our team is composed by Bruno, Antonius Werhan, and Patricio Gonzalez. Company description. Mainly we're focusing on develop this product in Tokyo, Japan. We are considered to be one of the biggest company and crowdfunding company. We are mainly focusing on to be develop a eco-friendly environment inside and outside of this one. Our mission is to develop a unique product that makes ecological materials. Our objective is to become the one of the biggest companies that transform pet products into a product. Our product description. This one is a green sponge. It's a microfiber and plastic pet. It's mainly made of 150 millimeters to 65 to 40 millimeters. It's made of industrial and kitchen use, so everyone can use it. But we're focusing on a hospitality industry. This is made with pet products. There's a polyethylene and enteroper product that is stiff, strong, and dimensionally stable in order to absorb the water into the sponge. In order to make this product stable, we're focusing on the three main aspects. As we're making this product to be sustainable, we're focusing on the people, the planet, and the profit. The people, mainly social account, is impacted in our product and operations on the quality of the consumers and how they impacted in their normal lives. The planet, it means environmental account, as how this one is impacted and how we can make new ways to transform this product and make it environmentally friendly. In the profit is an economical account, so we return on assets and the profitability the products may have been, and it will create us to make more profit.
Hello, I'm Antonius, and before I talk about the production process, I would like to describe our objectives and the development of our product. Our objectives can be divided into 5 different parts: quality, speed, dependability, flexibility, and cost. Quality. It was essential to us to produce the right product for our customers, which cleans efficient, is reliable, attractive, and user-friendly. Speed. We aimed at minimizing the time between customers' request and order and receiving it, to ensure great customer service, enhancing the value of our product to our customers. Dependability. Reliability is very important to our company, and therefore we do our best to provide the product on time and to respond to customers' requests as soon as possible, which enhances the product in the market and avoids customers' complaints. Flexibility. Having the ability to change our product's ingredients, materials, and production process is essential to us. For instance, due to ever-increasing technology, with certainty the production process will be optimized in the future. Costs. Of course, our product should be profitable. Costs should be kept low and a high profit margin should be achieved. Next, I would like to discuss the development process of our product. We started with researching our idea and concept. What are the benefits and disadvantages? Who will be interested and what would it cost? Then we converted our idea into a 3D model in order to see how it would look like if it's aesthetic and functional. Then we went to proper prototyping. Creating a proper prototype was important to us to ensure to avoid mass producing a poor product. After, we tested our product extensively before full production, displaying the prototype to potential customers and the right people in the industry, as well as making sure that our customers actually need and are interested in this product. At last, we started mass production when we assessed a target market and guaranteed the profitability of our product. The production process is divided into 7 different steps. Receiving. As soon as the recycled plastic arrives, it is poured directly into the first station, the cleaning process, by 5 of our employees, monitored by a first line manager. Station 2. Cleaning process. The delivered plastic is carefully cleaned to remove all leftover dirt, to make the plastic 100% sterile. This process is done by machines. The process is carefully monitored by two controllers. Then the material is poured into station 3, crushing, where the clean plastic is now shredded into a very fine material, similar to dust, and poured into station 4. This process will be monitored by two controllers as well, monitoring the machines. Station 4, the bonding process. The fine recycled plastic dust is mixed with an environmentally friendly component developed in-house, which ensures that the plastic dust sticks together and the sponges decay faster. As this process needs a lot of attention, 4 controllers monitor the process, making sure that the mixture is right as well as the temperature. Station 4 is followed by the cutting process, where the sponges are cut into the right size. 10 of our employees are stationed here. At last, the packaging process, where the product is packaged by a group of about 20 workers, and then a team of employees load the products into the respective trucks and shipping them.
Hello, I'm Bruno, and I'm going to talk about the supply chain. So the supply chain consists of different parts. One of those parts is of course the product development. Conventional products, including sponges, contribute to the increasing amount of microplastic in the oceans. As we want to be part of putting an end to this trend, we figured that it would be best if we would use 100% recycled material for our products. That is also the reason why we set up our operation in Japan, as we intend to cooperate with local suppliers. Since we are a startup company with limited capital, we are aiming to create a network with Seiyu Japan Limited for our raw material. The recycling process can be broken down to 5 major steps: disposal, collection, sorting, shredding, cleaning, and separating. We are able to be reached by the customer both by phone as well as online, and we also apply a social media channel where potential customers can message us with their complaints and concerns with regards to certain elements about the sponges or the delivery of the sponges. We usually are able to respond within the customer service office hours, or in the case of social media, we're able to answer the questions immediately. They are employed hired by us for the sole reason to deal with the customer concerns. Our company has the scale of a startup company with roughly 50 employees. Our in-house operations include all activities concerning financials, customer service, product development, and marketing. We have one major operation facility, which includes a storage room for the sponge material as well as the offices. We do outsource minor steps with regard to product development where we have a lack of expertise and for reasons of output pace. Our tasks are in some areas repeatable, for instance the sponge manufacturing, whereas in other areas it is more complex, such as marketing and finance, and systemization is difficult in these areas. There's few variety in the processes. As for our outputs, basically only includes sponges and with recycled material, so there is few flexibility. There is somewhat of a high variation in the manufacturing of our product, as it depends on how much disposable raw material there is. However, in terms of delivery, we usually are able to distribute our sponges within a couple of weeks within the order taking place. The operation is largely invisible to outside, with the exception of the SEO marketing tools that we apply to reach out to possible customers. As I just mentioned, we are targeting corporate offices and in particular the hospitality industry for our distribution. We are preferring companies that are within the Asia-Pacific region, since we do not just want to appear environmentally friendly on paper, but actually practice what we preach. We have our headquarters set up in Japan, as mentioned above, and are working closely with a Japanese company, which benefits are both fiscally and environmentally, because transport channels are less costly and more local. The geographical region we chose, which is Japan, is also beneficial, as the microplastic is somewhat easily disposable from the coastal region, and the company we have chosen as our supplier for raw material has a competitive advantage within the market segment. The outsourcing we are doing in order to produce Output at the required pace is also very local.